In front of me is XIAOMI 17T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then scroll to use those icons at the top right corners, and when you're ready, click on the best theme for you. For example, I want to choose this one, so now I need to tap on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher to switch them off or turn them on, and hit apply at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after a few seconds, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it though, go back to the same section of your settings and tap on plus icon under my themes. Now click on the photo you wanna apply as your new keyboard's background. Let's go with this one. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and tap on apply. If you want to manage any of your themes, go back to the same section of your settings, delete any of those to get rid of the clutter. Thanks to this bin, you can always download it the same way. And to edit custom one, use this pen. Then make any changes you want to, and choose Save. If you want to delete any of your custom theme, tap on it again. This time, choose the same bin icon you used in order to delete one of your downloaded themes, and hit Yes. Be sure of your choice though, because this theme will disappear forever unless you will redo it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!